Hi guys, welcome to the Oz Mining channel. Just an update with our Raven Coin rig. So yeah, I've been running it for 2 or 3 days now. I've had other things on, so I haven't really had a chance to do much other than just run this single card. And been running it on Nicehash, and yeah, it's been going fine. It's been sort of running mid to high like 20s on Kapow, and also switched into some other algorithms depending on profitability, like I think it's also doing Auto Like Us and Octopus, other algorithms as well. So yeah, so what I'm just doing, I'm actually just doing a quick benchmark again. I think what I'm going to do with Nicehash, it's got lots of plugins for different like pools and algorithms, and I think it's switching a bit too much. So I'm just going to find out which is the one or two most like profitable algorithms to run on Nicehash, and then I'm just going to delete the other plugins and just keep it consistent and run on just a few. But yeah, and then look, what I'm probably going to do later today as well, you'll see I've got some USB or flash drives here. I'm actually going to finally make the jump over to HiveOS. So yeah, but look, what I'm probably going to do first is, we've had this rig up and running nice and stable. I've now built myself a rig frame, so I just thought I'd show you guys this very quickly. So it's a double story rig frame. So you can see there I've got the little, like, I guess edge there to put the GPU fronts on, then the middle bit to put the risers on. And I've just copied a previous rig I've done here, but just made a few modifications, a little bit wider, changing some of the heights on some things. So hopefully this is my version 2, which I'll then replicate for other rigs. So yeah, well, what my plan is right now is I'm going to switch this rig off. Excuse me. We're going to mark the holes and get some standoffs in, get the motherboard on, get the PSU, and also hook up a server PSU, and get the rest of my cards on, which are not currently earning any money. So and I've got another 3060 Ti LHR running in a standalone desktop PC. So by the end of the day, hopefully we'll have 5 LHR cards running on this frame, and we can start to, I guess, just optimize the overclocks a little bit. And at some point then I'm gonna make the jump over to HiveOS. Yeah, so I just thought I'd give a quick update. What I'll do, we'll come back in a minute when all these GPUs are on the frame there. So yeah, so we'll come back in 3, 2, 1. Actually, I thought I'd just do a little quick interim video. We're just sort of laying out the motherboard, the ATX PSU, and the server PSU. I haven't used a server PSU before, so I've got a couple here. I've just got the breakout board, which I've just put on there, and just trying to work out how to kind of structure, I guess, the layout a little bit, and obviously making sure cables can reach, etc. So yeah, so just making some progress here, and yeah, we'll show this rig when it's a bit more assembled very shortly. So here's the update, guys. We've put some cards onto the rig now. So we've got a EVGA 3060 Ti. That's I think it's a For the Win 3 Ultra. And then we've got 2 MSI Ventus twin fans down here, and in the middle there's a Gigabyte Eagle. So yeah, so we've got 4 cards on there. There is a 5th card which I'm going to bring across from this Dell XPS here, just to sort of consolidate some rigs, and yeah, we'll figure out what we'll do with that XPS. And yeah, so I just thought I'd give you a quick look at the rig. So we've got a Gigabyte Aorus 850 ATX PSU there, and I've used a peripheral cable, if you follow along here, and at the back there, the very back black wire, if I can just get my finger right back there, that's powers on and off the server PSU. So we've got a 750 watt server PSU there. The reason I've got 750 watts is because it's actually very hard to get hold of 1200 watt HP server PSU. So look, I thought, you know, they're actually cheaper to buy 750 watts. You know, at the moment, server PSU 1200 will cost maybe between 80 and I don't know, $120 plus, depending on the model, and that's for 1200 watts. Now I'm getting two 750 watts, so that's 1500 watts in total. I think for about $70 I paid for that. So I think whilst it does take a little bit of extra space, I'm getting more power for less dollars. Yeah, so we'll just see how that goes. And yeah, so we've got the motherboard in there, got the power switch here, and yeah, so the plan will be as well, as we add some more cards, the plan is I know with the Z390 I can get 11 cards on this motherboard and CPU combo. I might try 12, but what I'm going to do with the ATX PSU 850 plus the server PSU there, I'm getting, so what am I getting, 1600 watts. I'll probably need, because the altcoins that I'm mining, Ravencoin, Ergo, tend to use a bit more power, I'll probably need the other 750 watt PSU that I've got. And what I think I might do, I might actually try and secure it up the top here or on the side, just so then it's a lot easier to reach for putting the power into the cards at the top here. So yeah, so look, I've got the 4 cards mining in there quite nicely, running along. I've done a little bit of, I'll just show you that on the power there. So what we're drawing there, we're drawing 14 watts for, that's 3 cards, and then all the motherboard, and then in there the other card is drawing, can we see it, 143 watts. So yeah, so just on the screen here very quickly, let's just close this down. I've just been playing around with the overclocks a little bit. If I just show you, where are we? Oh yeah, I have to burn this up. I have to burn this. Yeah, so just got some pretty basic overclocks in here, running just under a plus 100 on the core clock. Trying to get 1000 there, but 999 is close enough. Power limit, I've actually got slightly different limits depending on the cards. I'm finding, so what I'm finding, guys, actually, this is interesting, is the MSI Ventus twin fans, pretty efficient, running quite nicely. The EVGA triple fan is amazing, definitely highest hash, best efficiency, and coolest cards. So, you know, really, you know, it's kind of proving, get the better probably brand cards and triple fans, and then the Gigabyte Eagle, not so great. So, and look, this is a bit of an experiment for me, to see, you know, which cards kind of you know, mine the best, and you know, then I'll probably invest in some similar cards. At the moment, I'm probably thinking I'm going to stick a little bit more money with EVGA. I'm going to buy some more 3060 Ti LHRs, and I also might look at getting MSI the Gaming X, the Twin Fan Gaming X. They're really good on cooling. With some, I've got some 3060s of those. I think they'll be work quite well as well. So, but yeah, interesting. Me personally, I'm probably not going to get another Gigabyte Eagle there. And yeah, so yeah, I've just been playing around with the overclocks a little bit. Pretty happy how it's running. If I just show you there, that top one is the MSI running 50 degrees, and then if you go to the Eagle, it's running at 59 degrees. I've got the fan at 87 just to sort of keep it under control. The other MSI is actually running higher than the other one, which I need to get the bottom of. I was expecting them to be quite similar, even allowing for a bit of silicone lottery. And the star of the show is the EVGA running at 53, and I think it's doing the most. So if we just look across here, here's what we're running on Nicehash at the moment. So you can see there that what is it? So it's switched to Ethereum at the moment. Dagger Hashimoto. The top MSI card is running, sorry for the glare there guys, is running 39 mega hash, and actually they're both running 30, so they're running about 40 mega hash. That's LHR cards. and then the Gigabyte Eagle's running just under 28 mega hash on Kapow, and the EVGA is running 28.5 mega hash on Kapow. So yeah, so that's all the cards running. You know, one thing I'm finding on Nicehash, I know it's not the most profitable, you know, I guess mining, you know, software to use. That, you know, you can probably get more higher percentages payouts, you know, moving to Hive OS and you know, accessing other pools. But what I'm finding with Nicehash, easy to use. It does flick between the most profitable algorithms. So what I'm finding, and you guys probably know that, you know, if you're mining Ethereum, you know, the profitability goes up and down. You're mining Kapow up and down. What I'm finding with Nicehash, it's actually whichever one's most profitable, it's going to flick to it. So it's actually kind of smoothing out my profitability. So I think there is an argument here that in the long run, you know, over days and stuff, I might actually earn more profits because it's going to search for the most profitable algorithm at the time and just flick between them. So, and you can see here, you know, this one here is running Dagger Hashimoto, which is the Ethereum algorithm, and then this one here is running Kapow. So yeah, so you know, for some reason as well, certain cards it's decided to turn Kapow, and I haven't selected that. That's just Nicehash choosing, I think it's between NB Miner and G Miner CUDA 9.0 Plus. Yeah, so look, it's going pretty well, guys. You know, thanks for watching this build from scratch. Hope you found it useful. And yeah, look, you know, I'll probably bring an update on this rig as I'm probably going to add some fans. I am probably going to move this one over, as I said before, over to Hive OS. I have brought some flash sticks there, USB drives there, and yeah. But look, overall happy with this. You know, we're earning some good dollars here. I feel like I'm happy with my frame now, so I'm going to start to replicate this frame for others. The only one thing I've found, and you always find out something, is I've put a wider beam piece of timber here on this top. It actually got in the way of doing the screws here. So again, it's all those little small things that you learn as you go. So I'll just need to figure that out when I build the next rig. But yeah, overall, very, very happy with this. Running pretty smooth. Again, my first server PSU. And I'm really happy that it's really quiet actually. Feedback from me, that server PSU is not making much noise. Now, given I've only got one card on it, so I'm only drawing 150 watts from a 750 watt PSU, but I think what will be interesting to find is how much watts do I need to get on there before it starts making a bit too much noise. So that'll be something else I'll be testing, I guess, over the coming weeks and months. Look, I'm not racing to add more cards to this rig. I'll just do it if I find some good deals. You know, the prices of the LHR cards are starting to creep up. Yeah, you know, so we'll just see how we go. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate some likes and feedbacks. I'm going to target to get to I think 10 subscribers. You know, got to start small, and yeah, we'll go from there. So it's yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, we'll chat again soon. Thanks, bye.